Cut 8 lippings to the correct length and to 22.5 degrees. Attach the Genie to the edge of the worktop and align the end of the bar with the angle changes around the circumference of the tabletop. Attach with a couple of screws. You are now ready to drill the first and last hole in the bar. Using a dowel, we index the joint Genie along and drill the final hole. We only need 3, therefore location more than strength. We reverse the tabs on the joint Genie, attach it to the back of the lipping, lining up the end of the bar with the edge of the workpiece, couple of screws, and drill the first and last hole, index along, and drill the final hole. The lipping is now fully completed and ready to attach. I just put one dowel into the centre so that we can dry assemble and make sure all the edges line up and the accuracy is automatically there. Once we're happy, remove all the lippings, install all the dowels right the way around the tabletop, glue all the surfaces. For the final assembly, it's useful to have a rubber mallet just to tap home with a little bit of pressure to squeeze excess glue out. We complete the procedure by doing all the lippings the same, and the table very quickly takes shape. What was once perceived as a very difficult and complex job took no measuring or marking out. A simple thing of drilling holes accurately in the right place, and the joint Genie performs beautifully. Once all the items are glued up and placed on, you can very quickly see the final results are exactly what you're looking for. Simplicity.